I'm sorry, but you can give me this over lobster any day. If you have a special occasion coming up or you're looking for an easy, elegant dinner, shrimp oreganata is the answer. I'll show you how to make it. You've got to start out with colossal shrimp or just the largest shrimp you can find. Clean out the digestive tract and then you're going to cut it almost all the way through, but not quite, and then butterfly it open. Shrimp are cleaned and ready to go. Now we're going to marinate them in this just delicious marinade, starting with some extra virgin olive oil and white wine. Some garlic, some parsley, some lemon zest, a little crushed red pepper, and then of course, oregano. Forgot the salt. Give that a little stir and then toss the shrimp in. Okay, these will marinate while I make the topping. What's not to love there? Basically, these are gonna be roasted with this lemony white wine sauce and then some little breadcrumb cheesy topping. You just gotta think like shrimp scampi meets even more deliciousness, you know what I mean? The topping is just more of the marinade ingredients, but also panko breadcrumbs and Parmesan cheese. And instead of olive oil, this one starts with butter, more garlic, a little crushed red pepper, a little more parsley, and more lemon zest. You can see where I'm going now. I'm going to take the shrimp that have been marinating and place them with the cut side on top, and then we're going to fill them with our delicious topping. So easy. You know this is gonna be good. These go into the oven at 450 degrees. You want it really hot because shrimp does not take that long to cook, so we just want it to kind of get crispy and cooked, like roasted, you know, where it develops all that extra flavor. The last minute, you might turn on the broiler just to brown the tops. Get your wine chilling. Look at that right there. That is yummy. I'm gonna platter these up and serve them with a little bit of lemon butter. Cheers. Mmm. I feel fancy. If you ever see anything oreganata on a menu, I'm telling you right now, order it. And if you've never made shrimp oreganata, this recipe is a 10 out of 10. I'm sorry, but you can give me this over lobster any day. Are you ready for it? That's a big shrimp. Hi. Hi, Shakami.